we have our direction variable, and the sphere follows the scuba diver. And so now what we want to do is use that direction variable to make the sphere fly out when the space bar is pressed. Okay, and not only fly out, but fly out in the right direction. So what we can do to make that happen is we can say the event when the space bar is pressed, right? Then we are going to create a clone. But not every time the space bar is pressed. Remember, this is the left sphere. And if the scuba diver is facing in the right direction, we do not want to create a clone of the left sphere. Only if the scuba diver is facing towards the left. And luckily, we have this direction variable that will tell us if that's true. Right? So we can say if direction is equal to 0, he's facing to the left, then we create a clone. Okay? And then we come over here to control, and we say when I start as clone, then I am going to not just repeat or forever, but I'm going to repeat until. And what we can do is repeat moving the sphere to the left until it hits the edge. Right? So we can say repeat until, under sensing, touching the first block, touching the edge. Right? And what do you want to keep on doing with this clone until they touch the edge? You want to move him. So we're going to change his x, not set his x, but change his x. And if we change by +10, which direction is the sphere going to move? Well, let's try it out. I'm going to hit space. Do you see that? He's moving towards the right. So to make the sphere move towards the left, we're going to move -10. And now the sphere is moving to the left. Okay. So what do we want to do here after the sphere has touched the edge and is no longer moving forward? Right? Well, what we want to do is go to control and delete the clone. Okay. So let's go ahead and try that out and see how it works. So let's go here. I'm going to press space, and the spheres are disappearing, right? And I can even hold it down, and it's shooting out like a machine gun. Okay. I go to the right, nothing happens because my direction is 1, and when I press space, it says only make a clone if my direction is 0. So it's not making any clones of the left sphere. Right. So that's how you do that. And I guess the challenge exercise here could be make the sphere right behave in the same way, except make him shoot out clones to the right.